That's one instance. And the crazy thing, this is the crazy thing about the law of vibration, is the CIA have been using, and Stargate project have been using the law of vibration from the transmission from the mind and receiving. They spent millions and millions of dollars researching and funding it for years and years and years. And this has actually happened, which is crazy. So why would the CIA do this if it didn't exist? So even deeper than this, there's been a crazy experiment done in a laboratory, this flash laboratory, with a room, and it's being observed by scientists. They've got this little robot they've made, and it's got this computer program that randomly generates, it goes around the room, the whole entire room just randomly moving around the room.